Hello friends, today's topic markets up today but stock prices down. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. As expected today morning, Asian markets opened weak and Indian markets also opened marginally negative. However, after trading weak for some time, Nifty managed to become positive and finally closed 0.3% higher at 24,936. Most of the Asian markets still closed down by around 1% today. However, what helped Indian markets was European markets trading positively by around 0.6%. Even though Nifty large cap index closed positively today, the mid cap and small cap index fell by 0.5 to 0.9% today. The main reason is profit booking since mid and small cap indices rallied much more than Nifty. It may be surprising if large cap stocks move in a relatively stable manner compared to mid and small cap stocks. In fact, it is also possible that many individual stocks may experience profit booking even though overall market trades positively. Stocks down today in spite of positive Nifty. ONGC minus 3.2%, current price 299. Tech Mahindra minus 2.7% today, current price 1579. 3. BPCL minus 1.2% today and closed at 348. 4. Wipro minus 1.1% today, current price 515. 5. Tata Motors minus 1% today, closed at 1039. 6. Power Finance Corporation minus 3.9% and closed at 524. 7. REC minus 2.9% today and 590 is the closing price today. 8. Adani Total Gas minus 1.5% today and closed at 850. 9. IRCTC minus 1% today, closed at 927. 10. HAL closed minus 1% today and closing price 4,657. 11. IDFC First Bank minus 1.4% today, 72.6 rupees. 12. Rail Vikas Nigam minus 1.2% today and closed at 563. Currently, the data shows that market cap to GDP ratio is at all-time high. 2013-2014 average market cap to GDP ratio 66. 2014 to 15 82. 2015 to 16 69. 2016 to 17 79. 2017 to 18 84. 2018 to 19 80. Going further, 2019 and 20 57, 2020 21 103, 2021 22 113, 2022 23 96, 2023 24 132 and 2024 and 25 143. So far, Indian markets have been defying all the warnings of high valuations mentioned by experts. High valuations does not necessarily mean that markets are to fall immediately. However, over some months, some consolidation will become very likely. When compared to markets in 2008, the P ratio of individual companies are as follows. Status of P ratio of top 100 companies. 0 to 20 percentage of total companies in January 2008, 45%. Now percentage of total companies in August 2024, 20%. 20 to 35, 25 versus 17. 35 to 50, 11% versus 17. 50 to 100, percentage of total companies in January 2008 is 7%. Now it is 32% as on August 2024. More than 100, 5% to 10%. Negative 7% to 4%. Total 100%. So you can observe that in January 2008, before the market fall, 70% of the total 500 companies had a P ratio of below 35. Now in August 2024, only 37% of the companies have a P ratio below 35. Currently, 59% of the companies have a P ratio of above 35. So you can imagine how the valuations of stocks are currently. So SIP, FCP must be continued as usual every month. However, if you have a large sum such as 10 lakhs or more, they may be investing in phases such as 3 to 5 months. Help investors if there is any volatility or corrections in that period. Historical data shows that a 10% fall from the high of Nifty happens every year. We need to see the same happens this year too. Here is an announcement. ಮಕ್ಕಳ ವಿದ್ಯಾಭ್ಯಾಸ ಮತ್ತು ಮದುವೆಗೆ ಹಣ ಅನಾಯಾಸವಾಗಿ ಹೊಂದಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಒಂದು ಚರ್ಚೆ. ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಲೈವ್ ಫಾರ್ ಆಲ್ ಚಾನೆಲ್ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇದೇ ಮಂಗಳವಾರ 10 ಸೆಪ್ಟೆಂಬರ್ ರಾತ್ರಿ 9 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಆನ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಭರತ್ ಚಂದ್ರ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಚಾನೆಲ್. End of the video, here is the question. What level will Nifty touch before there is a 10% or more fall in the markets? Type the Nifty level in the comment section. If you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon. Send the video to all your friends. The video is good. Press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.